Hello guys, welcome back to another video from the E-Innovators. Due to the pandemic situation in the world, we are unable to arrange the hardware for our projects, but we still want your quarantine to be productive. In this video, you will understand how to create a programmable code by using block commands by making two different projects. So let's start. The first project we are looking at is how you can generate code of a simple blinking color lights using multiple LEDs. For that, first of all, on the right side of your screen, you can see the component section. You need to change it to Arduino and you need to select breadboard option of Arduino. Secondly, you need to change it back to basic components and select 4 LEDs and place it on the breadboard. Furthermore, we will select 4 resistors that are connected to the negative of the LEDs. By clicking on the resistors, you can change its values and notations as well. Here we will define 220 and notation as ohms. Moreover, the positive of the LED is connected with the digital pin 13 of the Arduino, and the second LED is connected to the 12th pin of Arduino. Third LED is connected to the 11th pin and the fourth LED is connected on the 10th pin. Let's move on to the code part. On the code block, we create a variable named as E-Innovators. We have to copy paste the set part on the code screen and set delay time as 300. We have two set built-in LEDs. Basically, it works as our first LED, in which one must be high and one must be low, and under it we have to introduce our variable E-Innovators and change our settings to milliseconds. To generate the output for other LEDs, we click on Output and copy paste set pin part on our code screen and just need to change pin number and high-low for switching. We need to do the same for other two LEDs. By clicking on Start Simulation, we can see the output. By changing the settings from blocks to blocks plus text or text, we can also see the coding. Our second project is to generate the code of a single blinking LED with the help of an RGB LED. We again select Arduino breadboard on Arduino option. An RGB LED from the basic components. RGB's second terminal cathode is connected to the ground of the Arduino. We connect the resistor other 3 terminals of RGB LED and change its value to 220 ohms. The first terminal is connected to the digital pin 11 of Arduino. Third terminal is connected to the 10th pin and the fourth terminal is connected with the 9th pin. Now open the code in the blocks. Here we don't need set built-in path, so we delete it. We copy paste set RGB LED pins. Here we change digital pin number of Arduino which are connected with the positive terminal of RGB LED. From control, we can select wait, which is basically time delay, and duplicate it again to change color of LED. To repeat this function, we use repeat, which is basically a loop. We create a buff function again in this repeat part. By starting simulation, we can see the output. Here we only use 2 colors, but you can use more colors as you want. It's completely your wish. So that's it for today guys. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and also subscribe our channel to watch our latest uploads as soon as possible. Guys, as you can see, we are doing a lot of effort just for you guys. So please make sure you hit that subscribe button. Please like the video as well. We have just hit the 200 subscriber mark, but our aim is for 1,000, 10,000, 1 million. So we need your support. We need your encouragement. So please encourage our hard work. Thanks a lot. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.